Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about the Hard Candy Moods shadow paints. This is not a new product, but it is new to me. I bought one, I absolutely fell in love with it, and then I had to go back and buy all the colors because they are that good. And the best part, they're only $4 and they are available at select Walmart stores, so convenient. Now I'm going to do a little demo of how you use these, and starting with the shade Babe. And so let me insert that clip here so you can see how you use these, and then I'm going to come back and talk a little bit more about them. Okay, welcome to the demo part of the video, and I'm going to use the shade Babe, which is a bubblegum pink, and you're probably thinking, oh my god, that's going to look crazy, I would never wear that. Well, hold on. It doesn't have to look crazy. You can use as little or as much as you want of this. It is pigmented, but you can blend it out and soften it, or you can make it look crazy if that's your jam, whatever you want, you know? So it's got a doe foot applicator, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab a little bit across my lid and into the outer part of my eye, like that, okay? And then I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. You do not need a primer. It has a built-in primer. Okay, so this is just going to give me a nice base for my eyeshadow. And then for an eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Fleck glitter eyeshadow in Pop Off Pink. And I like to apply these with my fingers, so you don't even need any brushes to do your eye makeup look for this look. And just pat it on top of that base. Isn't that pretty? Very simple, easy eye look. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on mascara, and of course do the other eye. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's how you use them. Now they come in 8 different shades, and like I said, this was shade Babe. It's like a bubblegum pink. But let me show you the rest of the colors. And one of the things that's great about these is the packaging matches with the color that's inside. So if you are storing these in a drawer like this, and you just want to reach for one, you know exactly what you're getting. You don't have to read the label or anything like that. So this is Halo. This is like a beige color, very, very light. And by the way, these are all matte. There is no shimmer in them, so they are perfect to use as a base for other eyeshadows the way that I demoed them. But you can use them on their own if you want to. This is Cake, and this is a light brown. I believe I also demoed this in another video. This was the one that made me fall in love with the whole line. And this is Rich. This is a rich chocolate brown. This is Trip. This is a lime green. Actually, I think this might be the first one I used, and then I used Cake. I bought 2 initially. And then we've got Hype, which is a teal. And then we've got Idol, which is a bright blue. And then we've got Vibe, which is a cool tone purple, which is so nice because usually when makeup brands do purple, they always do warm tone purple, and I prefer cool tone purple. But those are the colors, and yeah, I absolutely love this product, and I have tried so many colored eyeshadow bases, you guys, as a prep for my powder eyeshadows, and nothing has impressed me as much as these. So I absolutely love them. I wish I had found them sooner because I just, you know, want to use these all the time now. So far I've used the lime green and the cake one, and now the pink. So I still have 5 more to try. So you guys, you got to try these. $4, how can you go wrong? I mean, they're so easy to blend out. And look at this eyeshadow look that I did. I mean, it was so simple. A lot of people have told me, oh, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. It's too complicated. It doesn't have to be. Did you see how easy it was for me to do this look? And I think it looks really pretty. But, if you're not into bright pink eyeshadow, then, buy one of the more neutral colors, like the cake is a really good one and probably would go really well with a lot of people's eyeshadows that they have in their collection. But I can't wait to try them all. So thanks for watching, you guys, and following, subscribing, whatever. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.